In this video we want to show you M&M's chocolate candies in a new flavor. This is M&M's Caramel. There are 130 calories per serving. There are 3 servings per pack. This version is available in the United States. These are the nutrition facts. Now, let us open it and get the candies out. You can reseal the box. There are 6 different colors. There is blue, orange, brown, red, yellow and green. Only one M&M, of all of them, is green. Let us take a bite, and have a look inside. Outside there is a crunchy shell. The core is made of solid caramel, surrounded by a chocolate layer in between. It is a great new product with a perfect fit for movie nights. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.